Hi everyone, I'm outside. It's a beautiful day, a little bit of overcast, which I like when I'm picking fruits. And this is my wild blackberry, which taste so good and they're so juicy. I started seeing birds around it, and I noticed right now when I'm picking these that they ate a bunch of them. So before they vanish, I'm picking the black ones and saving them for my dad. So enjoy watching. It's so rewarding to have fruits around your backyard, and even if it's just a little bit, it's really rewarding and puts a smile on your face. It is like that for me. I'm not sure about you guys, but I enjoy every plant that I have. And thanks for watching.